So Samsung is all set to formally unveil the Galaxy S22 series and the Galaxy Tab S8 series this Wednesday, which includes 3 models this year: the Tab S8, the S8 Plus, and the Tab S8 Ultra, and that is the more exciting one. Now, as for some common features, they will all offer the same magnetic strip at the back for the S Pen. They will all have the 12 megapixel 120-degree field of view ultra wide camera for auto framing feature, just like the iPad Pro's center stage. Now, there are some other common features as well which might make you just happy, like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the high refresh rate, and also expandable storage options. Now, there are going to be one of the common thing between them that will make you unhappy, and that is the box contents. Well, it will only feature USB Type-C cable and the manuals and the tab. Definitely, that's it. No charging adapters, nothing like that. So you have to buy the 45-watt fast charger separately. Anyway, these new images revealed by EVO leaks showing a lot of other things, like the magnetic strip at the back of the Tab S8 Ultra, the 3 different models side by side, how big they are, how small they are. There are also images showing the Tab S8 Ultra size compared to the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Anyway, here are some key features that you need to know. The Galaxy Tab S8 will have 6.3mm thickness and 8.95mm bezels. The Tab S8 Plus, on the other hand, will be the slimmest one, 5.7mm, with same 8.95mm bezels. But as for the weight, the Tab S8 will be 503 grams and the Tab S8 Plus 572 grams. The Tab S8 Ultra, on the other hand, is going to be one of the slimmest tablet as well, 6.3mm with 6.3mm bezels as well. And that is crazy thin bezels. And you can see there is a notch. The notch will house 2 cameras, 2 12 megapixel cameras, and this is the only tablet to feature 2 cameras at the front. And it will be weigh around 728 grams. And as for the display size, well, the Tab S8 will feature 11-inch LCD TFT panel with 120Hz refresh rate, as I said, and 8000 mAh battery with up to 45-watt fast charging support. The Tab S8 Plus, on the other hand, will feature 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with much better resolution and 120Hz refresh rate again. But the battery will be bigger, 10,090 mAh battery with same 45-watt fast charging. The Tab S8 Ultra, on the other hand, will be the biggest one, biggest ever modern Android tablet, and it will give you a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with much better resolution than the Tab S8 one, with same 120Hz refresh rate. And as for the battery, it will be 11,200 mAh battery with same 45-watt fast charging. At the back, all of them will feature the similar camera setup: 13 megapixel wide camera, a wide main camera, and a 6 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. That's it. And if you want every single specification and more about these devices, well, you can check out, or also the features, you can check out my video on my other channel. I will link down below. So according to New Leak, the Tab S8 series, all of them will give you 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security updates. That is kind of like iPads. Crazy good. And not just that, this is also can be applied on the S21 series, the S21 FE, the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3, and also the upcoming S22 Ultra. Yes. And if you want to know more about the S22 Ultra, you can check out my recent video or my recent articles on my website. And thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.